Welcome to the PowerPoint polling tutorial. PowerPoint polling is an application within TurningPoint that allows users to poll within new or existing PowerPoint presentations. This tutorial will focus on what is necessary before running a presentation. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to successfully build a PowerPoint polling presentation. The goals for this tutorial are learning how to successfully build your PowerPoint polling presentation, as well as saving your presentation. First, double-click on the shortcut to TurningPoint. The TurningPoint dashboard appears. Next, select PowerPoint Polling. Once it opens, notice how Microsoft PowerPoint opens right along with it. You now have the option of opening an existing PowerPoint presentation that you would like to integrate the polling slides within. Next, select the TurningPoint tab located at the top middle of the screen. Next, select the button that reads New located in the upper left-hand corner of the polling toolbar. This now gives you a drop-down displaying the different question types that are available for you to use. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will select the multiple choice. From this point, there are only 3 required steps to be 100% done with the slide. Step number 1 is to type in your question. Step number 2 is to type in up to 10 possible answer choices. Step 3, which is the final step, is to click outside the segmented answer box. If you would like, you may move the Slide Preferences menu any place you wish on the screen. Let's now go ahead and insert a second polling slide. Once again, select the New button. Next, select Multiple Choice. As we have learned, step number 1 is to type in your question. Our step number 2 is to insert up to 10 possible answer choices. And once again, our third and final step is to click outside the segmented answer box. Considering this question has a correct answer, under Slide Preferences, click the scoring option. Next, click the drop-down button corresponding with the correct answer. You also have the option of inserting additional polling objects. To do this, select the Objects button located in the upper left-hand corner. To give your learners a visual confirmation of the correct answer choice, select Correct Answer Indicator. Next, select the correct answer indicator image you would like to use. Notice how there is a green box around vitamins, which will give your learners a visual confirmation of that correct answer choice. Let's now go ahead and insert a countdown timer by selecting the Objects button. Once inserted, the countdown timer will appear in the lower right-hand corner. To change the timer duration, left-click in between the 3 and the 0. Once you are done creating your entire presentation, you are ready to save it. Do this by selecting the File or Office button in the upper left-hand corner. Next, select Save or Save As. Be sure to name your presentation to something that can be easily recognized at a later time. Now select Save. Once you have saved your changes, it is now safe to close the presentation.